So guys, so today I'm gonna change the transmission fluid for Acura MDX 2012. So in order to do that, I need to get to the bottom. So this is for the front differential. This is the dripping and this is the insert. But what I'm doing right now is this is what I'm gonna use to discard this old transmission fluid, and this is the oil pan. So it's pretty good access. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this one. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and try to lose it first with the ratchet 3x8. I don't know if I have enough space for that, which maybe not. Okay, maybe. Okay. Okay, I broke the. Alright, so now I'm gonna go ahead and drip it. Be careful, wear an eye protective glass. I'm gonna do it carefully. I have the catch pan ready. Okay. So recently my car was flooded, and that's why I need to change it, because I wasn't sure if there is anything inside. Okay, it's coming right here to this sketch pan. I believe there is no water when in the transmission because of the flood, because I'm seeing pure transmission fluid. Now I'm collecting some samples because my mechanic suspected if the water went in the transmission, or if I need to change the transmission. So here is the transmission fluid, which is old. I think it's around 30,000 mileage, and looking it does not look like water, or maybe, I can't 100% sure. I can be 100% sure, but I don't see any bubble or anything. What do you think? Now I'm gonna wait a couple more minutes to drip, and when it stops I'll start filling it up after closing the bolt. I'm gonna go ahead and measure how much transmission fluid I have, but I know that I need 4 quarts. I got it from the Google, and which is pretty much correct, and you can always follow your user manual. So I've got 4 quarts of transmission fluid. I remember putting 5, which is like a gallon, but I got 4 after 3 months. After not 3 months, after 30,000 miles. Now I'm gonna go ahead and tighten this. Now I'm gonna go ahead and remove this dipstick. I see there is no oil. I put this long pipe to the ATF hole. You always wanna put the bulb in, good one, or whatever match with your driver manual. As you can see, it's pretty red. Slowly. So I just poured 4 of them, and now I'm gonna go ahead and close this. Or you can all use another way to put the ATF. There is a ATF bolt, and if you want, you can put it through that. That is the bolt, and it said ATF. But I thought this is the easy way, so I tried this way. Guys, this is how I change the transmission fluid. And if you wanna see right now the level of transmission fluid I have right now, showing me pretty low, but this is how you change it. And make sure you put the correct amount, and hope you guys change yours too, or if you can't, go to a local mechanic and do it. And if you like, you can subscribe the channel for more. Have a great day.